Okay. Today my class is data structures in C. Okay. Basically, what is the data structure? Okay. How we can use data structure in C language? Okay. That is our topic. Okay. Next, on that, data structures are used to store data in a computer in an organized form. In an organized form. Okay, we can't store data. Okay, like any manner, only organized form only we can store the data. What is the data is stored? That data is in organized form. Okay, in C programming language, there are different types of data structures are there. Okay, there are different types of data structures are there. Those are arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, trees. Okay, what are those? Arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, and trees. Okay, in terms of computer language, a data structure may be selected or designed, to store data, to store data for the purpose of working on it with various algorithms. Okay, for the purpose of working on it with various algorithms. Okay, next, data structures. Okay, data structure in programming language, is a specialized format for organizing and storing data. Organizing and storing data. In general, data structure types include the files, arrays, records, tables, trees, etc. Okay, these are different types of data structures. Okay, we are using in data structure. What are those data we can store in files? Arrays also we can store some type of elements. Records also can store data. Table nothing but here in database management system we store the information in table manner. We store the information in a table manner. Okay, rows, records, fields or columns. Okay, by using those only we can store information in a relational database management system. Okay, next on that arrays is a data structure. Okay, arrays, how we can use arrays in data structure? Okay, see here, array is collection of similar data types. You can insert, delete element from array without follow any order. Okay, suppose you can remove from the data structure. Okay, we can remove the element from that arrays. Okay, you can remove the starting element or ending element or middle element. Any element you can remove without order. Okay, that is a array. Okay, arrays, there are different types of arrays are there. One dimensional array, two dimensional array. Okay, multi-dimensional arrays are there. Okay, those are explained in later. Okay, next, here you can see stacks. Next, definition of stack. Stack work on the basis of last in first out. Okay, which element we can insert? Okay, last, that is removed first. That is removed first. Or first in last, which you can insert first. That is removed last. That is removed last. Okay, last in first out or first in last out. Okay, that is the principle of a stack. Okay, suppose one carriage is there. On that carriage, okay, three boxes are there. Okay, first box you can insert first, and second one you can insert second, and third one you can insert third. Okay, then these three are inserted. These three are inserted. Then you can remove the box which insert last that you can remove first. Okay, that is called a stack. Okay, next queues nothing but here. Queues work on the basis of first in first out or last in last out. First in first out or last in last out. Okay, first entered element removed first, and last entered element removed last. Okay, example for queues. Okay, cinematic queues. Okay, suppose you can enter the you can go inside first, you take first ticket. Okay, which person can go last? That person got a last ticket. Okay, like that, queues are work. Okay, which element you can insert first? That element removed first, and which element you can remove last, and that element you can insert the last. That element you can remove last. Okay, then after linked list. Then after linked list. Okay, linked list nothing but is the collection of nodes. Is the collection of node. Okay, here you can insert and delete data in any order. Here also you can insert a data, okay, or delete data in any order. Like that arrays also we can insert any element anywhere and we can delete element from that array. Any element you can delete from that array. Okay, like that in linked list also, there we can use the nodes to store the data. Which node you can any node you can insert anywhere in that linked list, and any element you can remove from that list from anywhere. Okay, that is linked list. There are different two types of linked list are there. One is single linked list. Okay, another one is double linked list. Okay, here tree nothing but store data in non-linear form with one root node. In non-linear form with one root node and sub node. One root node and sub nodes. Okay, these are the trees. Okay, tree definition. Next, now today we are discussed about arrays in data structure. Today we are discussed about arrays in a data structure. Okay, an array is a collection of similar data type values. An array is a collection of similar data type values in a single variable. In a single variable. Okay, an array is derived data type in C language. Okay, array is which data type, that is derived data type. Basically, in C language, there are three different types of data types are there. One is basic data type, next one derived data type, next another one user defined data type. Okay, there are three types of data types are there. Okay, on that, okay, arrays are derived data type elements. Okay, which is constructed from fundamental data type of C language. Okay, here derived data type, this data type derived from the fundamental data type basic data type. Okay, see here in arrays, okay, index starting from zero, index starting from a zero. Okay, next, but element count starting from one, element count starting from a one. Here you can see first index zero, second index one, okay, third index two, next one three, four, like that. Nine indexes are there, these zero to nine. But length of array is 10. But length of array is a 10. Okay, array nothing but what is the definition of array? In array, what are the elements are stored? Those all elements are same data type or homogeneous elements. Those all are stored at a particular, okay, location, contiguous memory location. Okay, those are stored. Okay, here you can see insert element in array at a specific position. At a specific position, you can see here. Okay, include stdio.h, that is the header file. Next, standard input output header file. Next, conio.h, this is also header file. Then after this is main function, opening braces. Here variable declaration. Here variable declaration. Okay, I comma a of I comma no comma qos. These five are the, these four are the variables. Oh, which data type? These are integer data type elements. Not that a of I nothing but here. Okay, five nothing but here what the size of array is five. The size of array is five. Okay, the size of array is five. Then after CLR SCR means clear screen. Okay, then after printf enter element in array. Okay, next, you can see here. Okay, we can enter the elements. How many elements we can insert inside that? Okay, five elements. Okay, those five elements are started from zero index, zero, one, two, three, four, like that. Okay, those four elements you can store. Okay, five elements you can store from index starting from zero to four. Okay, but length of that array is five. Length of that array is five. Okay, those are printed here by using a fi function. Then printf enter the position of an entire element. Okay, what are the position? Okay, those positions are here. Okay, position greater than 5. Okay, position greater than nothing but index here is position. Index nothing but here position. Okay, position 0, position 1, position 2, and position 3, and position 4. Okay, these are the five positions are there. Okay, then after this is out of range. When it called this is out of range, greater than five position. Okay, 0 to 4 positions are over. Okay, only five elements. Length of the array is five. Those five elements are stored. Okay, more than those five elements, this is out of range. Will display. Okay, next, else. Okay, less than five elements. Okay, less than five elements. So then enter the element. Then enter the element. Okay, then minus minus position. Okay. Next, here you can see, okay, for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus this for loop for how many elements are there? 5 elements are there. Position from A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. Okay. Next, printf stored element in arrays. What are the elements are stored? Those elements here printed. Okay, first A of 0. Okay, what is the value of first one? A of 0, 0 is printed 0. Okay, then A of 1, A of 1. Okay, these are the position. These positions values of A of position, position A of 0, number here. Okay, suppose you can take a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. Okay, A of 0 value is 1. Okay, A of 0 value is 1. A of 1 value is 2. A of 2 value is 3. A of 3 value is 4. A of 4 value is 5. Okay, these are the these are the values are okay stored that particular position, that particular position. Okay, next, okay, here you can see I is equal to 0, I less than 6, I plus plus. I is equal to 0, I less than 6. Here you can enter only 5, not 6, this one. Okay, you can enter only 5. Okay, next, okay, here those 5 elements are here printed. Enter element in array. Okay, 4, 4, 2, 5, 7. Okay, these are the 5 elements are there. Okay, store data in array. Store data in array nothing but here 4, 2, 5, 7. Okay, these 4, 4 are same. Let's enter the position for enter element 2. Enter element 2. Okay, enter element position for enter element 2. Okay, here you can see enter new element 8. Enter new element 8. Okay, next, store position for here you can store data in arrays 4, 2, 5, 7, 8. 8 is entered here. 8 is entered there. Okay, next one, next one, sort array elements. Sort array elements nothing but what here. Okay, we can start sorting the array. We can sorting the array. Sorting nothing but here. Okay, what are the elements inside that array? Those elements. What are the elements inside that array? Those elements are okay arranged in a order. Those elements are arranged in a order. That is ascending order or descending order. That is ascending order or descending order. Okay, we can okay arrange the elements. Okay, in order. Okay, either ascending order or descending order nothing but okay A to Z or Z to A. Okay, those order you can increasing order or decreasing order you can arrange the elements. That is called sorting. Sorting. Okay. Next, here also you can see sort array elements. Suppose in a array, okay, elements are there. In a array, elements are there. What are those elements? So suppose you can take two. Okay. Next three. Next six. One. 5. You can take these elements. You can take these elements. Okay. Before sort. Okay. Before sort. Before sort. Okay. Next, here after sort. Okay. After sort. After sort. You can see here. Okay. One, two, three, five, six. Okay. Before sorting. Okay. Two, three, four. 2, 3, 6, 1, 5. After sorting. Okay. 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay, here, okay, this is called what? Ascending order. This is called ascending order. Here you can see void main. Okay, 10 elements are there. Here size of the array is 10. Size of the array is 10. Okay, enter 10 numbers in array. Okay, enter 10 elements in a array. Okay, then after you can see okay, those 10 elements are entered by using for loop. Here scanf is reading function. Here reading the 10 elements. Then after okay print before sorting. Okay, what are the elements entered by user? Okay, those elements are printed by using this scanf statement. By using this scanf statement. When the scanf function statement is over, okay, then what are the elements are there? Those elements are printed here. Those elements are printed here. Okay, then after you can sort. Then after you can sort. Okay, Here you can see sorting. Okay, for j is equal to 0, j less than 10, j plus plus. J is equal to 0, nothing but 0 position starting from 0, 0 to 9. Starting from 0 to 9. Okay, printf percentage d a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, like that, a of 9. Okay, here 10 numbers are there. Okay. First a of 0 value. Okay, a of 0, suppose 7 is there. A of 0 is 7 is small is there. Okay, compared to a of 0, a of j plus 1 is great. Okay, a of 0 is greater than a of j plus 1. Okay, suppose starting value a of j value, a of 0 value is 3. Okay, a of 0 plus 1 nothing but a of 1 value is 5. Okay, then here what? Okay, that is condition false. Then comes out of this for. Okay, then again a of 1. A of 1 value what here 5. Okay, you can take 5. Next, a of 2 value you can see here 9. Then 3 is greater than 9. 3 is greater than 9. Then okay. Okay, suppose a of 1 value is 9. A of 2 value is 3. Okay, then what? Here condition is false. Then temp is equal to 0. Next here swapping. Okay, and swap the okay element from position. Okay, a of 0 position value is swapped into a of 1 and a of 1 value is swapped into a of 0. Okay, this is called a swapping technique. This is called a swapping technique. Here you can see, okay, temp is equal to a of j is equal to a of j plus 1, a of j plus 1 is equal to temp, a of j plus 1 is equal to temp. Okay, in mathematics, okay, there one formula is there, chain rule. There one formula is there, chain rule. Okay, like that here, okay, in sorting technique, we are using a swapping technique. SWAP swapping technique we can use, and we can interchange what are the values in a of 0. Those values are okay moved into a of 1 and a of 1 values are moved into a of 0. Okay, by using this swapping technique, by using this swapping technique. Okay, ma'am. Next one here, data after sorting. Okay, those are the before sorting. Okay, here you can see before sorting what are those. Okay, 10, 50, 30, 20, 60, 80, 90. Okay, 80, 70, 90. Okay, these are the okay before. Okay, 10 elements entered. Here you can see 80, 70, 90. Here 100 is there. Okay, 100 is here. Okay, these 10 elements are there. 3, 3, 6, and 9. Okay, here another element you can insert there. Okay, 10, 50. Here no 40. Okay, you can enter 40 also. Okay, next 40. And 20 is there, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, here you can see 10, 50, 30. Here also 40 you can enter. Okay, next now you can see 10 elements are there. Okay, after data after sorting. Okay, first you can see this 10 is there. Okay, this 10 is compared to 50. This 10 is compared to 50. Okay, 10 is greater than 50. Okay, now condition false. Then 10 as is printed here. Then 10 as is printed here. Okay, then after 50 compared to 10, 30. 50 is compared to 30. Okay, 30 is greater than 50. Then 30 comes before this one. Okay, again, okay, that 30 compared to 40. Okay, 50 is compared to 40. Okay, 40 is greater than. Then 50 came here. Next, 50 compared with 20. Okay. Next, this 50 compared to 60, like that. Okay, 50 is came this position only. This 20 came into this position. Okay, then 20. Okay, like that. How many elements are there? 10 elements are there. Okay, those steps are repeated. Okay, those steps. What are the steps are there? Those steps are repeated 10 times. Okay, then okay here condition is false. Here condition is false. 10 is less than 10. Condition false. Then comes out of the loop. Okay, what are the elements are there? Those elements are sorted. Those elements are sorted here. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, those elements are sorted here. Okay, next you can see, okay, next you can see, Okay, delete array element at specific position. Delete array element at specific position. Okay, see here, we can delete element from array. We can delete element from array. Okay, we can delete element. Okay, which element you want to delete? That element directly you can delete by using the array. Okay, there is no order. Okay, deletion and insertion purpose, there is no order. Deletion and insertion purpose, there is no order. Okay, why means in arrays, okay, suppose a of 0 position value you can remove. Okay, then what is the a of 1 position value? That is comes into a of 0. That is comes into a of 0. Suppose there two elements are there. In array, two elements are there. Okay, one element is 10, another element is 20. One element is 10, another element is 20. Okay, then okay, that's 10 value and 20 value. Okay, 10 is a of 0 position and 20 is a of 1 position. Suppose you can remove, okay, 10 value, then a of 0 is removed. Then what is the a of 1 value? That become now a of 0. That become now a of 0. Okay. Next, here you can see for I is equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. I less than 5, I plus plus. Nothing but how many elements are there here? 5 elements. Okay, how many elements are there? 5 elements. Okay, array size is 5. A of 5 nothing but array size. Okay, the syntax for array, the syntax for array, what is the syntax for array? The array syntax is, okay, syntax, see here syntax. Okay. What is that? Data type. Okay, array name, array name. Okay, where is the square brackets? Here you can see these square brackets. You can write down size, array size. Okay, next, okay, next here you put a semicolon. Also not working properly. You put here, not even semicolon is there. Just you can copy. Okay, this is what a declaration syntax. This is what a declaration syntax of a array. Okay, next. Initialization. Okay, this is the syntax for array. Okay, next initialization. In initialization, you can see, okay, in declaration, you can see here int. Int is data type, you can mention here. Okay, int a is array name. Next, same you can copy. This is the size of array. Okay, this is the name, array name A, size of array 5, and semicolons. Okay, this is the, what is this one? Declaration. Declaration of a array. Declaration of a array. Okay, that is declaration of array. Okay, we can declare array now. Okay. Then after initialization. Initialization. You see here in declaration you can mention 5. Then only take the values. Array length is 5. Array length is 5. Okay. Other in others. Okay, in other initialization, just you can put a and square brackets is equal to, okay, within the braces you can mention the elements. Okay, how many elements you can mention? That is the size of it. That is the size of it. Okay, how many elements you can mention inside the braces? Okay, that is the size of a, okay, array. That is the size of array. Here you can see. Okay, here we can delete the element. Here we can delete the element. Okay, in deletion, in deletion, okay, in deletion, you can delete the array. Okay, how we can delete the array? Okay, which element you want to delete? That element directly you can delete from that, okay, array. Directly you can delete from that, array. Okay, next, here, okay, position. How many elements are there? Five elements are there. Okay, printf enter and enter element in array. Okay, what are the element you can want? Those element you can enter by using this for loop. On that for loop condition, what 5 less than 5 means only starting from 0 only 5 elements are entered. Okay, then after those elements are read here by using scanf function, and then after what are the elements are there, those printed elements are stored by using another for by using another for loop here. This for loop, by using this for loop, those elements are printed. Okay, then after enter position of the element to delete. Enter position of element to delete. Okay, here you can see scanf percent id enter position. Okay, which element? Okay, which element position you want to delete? Okay, those elements are removed from those elements are removed. That okay. Suppose here you can see elements are there. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, these five elements are there. One, two, three, four, five elements are there. Okay, this position 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 here 0, 0 position value 1, 0 position value 1. Next 2 position 1. Next third element position 2. Fourth element position 3. Fifth element position 4. Okay. Now you entered here. Now you entered here. Okay. That element position. Suppose you entered okay, position 1. Position. Position. Okay. And position 1 nothing but here what? Position 1 nothing but here what? Which element? Okay. Second element. Position number 1. And position. Position. Element 2 is removed. 2 is removed. Okay. Second element is removed. Okay, like that. Again here, you don't want that position. Okay, position is greater than that. Then position you can less. Okay, by using minus operator. By using a minus operator. Okay. Next, here another slide is there. You can see. Okay. Next, for I is equal to POS. Position. Next, I less than 4, I plus plus. I less than 4, I plus plus. Okay, here A of I is equal to A of I plus 1. Okay, printf after deletion element in array. Okay, for I is equal to 0. Okay, I less than 4, I plus plus. Here, how many elements are there? 4 elements. Okay, then those 4 elements are there. Okay, after deletion. Okay, one element is removed from that. Okay, then after 4 elements are there. Okay, 10, 30, 50, 20. Okay. Next, stored element 10, 30, 50, 20. Okay. Position okay of element to delete 3. To delete is 3. Okay, after deletion element in array 10, 20, 10, 30, 20. Okay, third position what? The third position what? 0, 1, 2. Okay, third position what? 20 is there. Okay, position. Pause of element to be deleted is 3. Just you can enter 0, 1, 2. Okay, then what is that one? 10, 30, 20. Okay, remaining are 10, 20, 30. Okay, like that here you can see. Okay, what is that one? I will take one more slide here and I will explain you. Okay, what is the information is there inside? I will explain you. You can see here. Okay, next time exploration of a array is data type next array size. Here int data type. Okay, next array name what? Okay, yeah, 5 is the array. Okay. Inside I is the size. Here I is a size. Here I is a size. Size of next this one you can see. Array. This is here you can see. Okay, this is called what declaration. This is called what declaration. Okay. Next, initialization. Initialization occurs. Here also you can see data type, again, size. Elements. List of next, here you can see list of elements. Then after here, okay, next array you can take the A, okay, here you can see. So here you can see, okay, this is called a data type. This data type, this one integer data type. This data type, this one integer data type. Element. Okay, on that integer data type element, on that integer data type is there. Okay, on that integer data type. Okay, this is called data type, array name, size of array. Next, these are the list of elements. These are the list of elements. Okay, what are the list of elements are there? One, two, three, four, six, seven. How many elements are there? Okay, how many elements are there? Six elements, seven elements. Okay, those elements. Array size is seven here. Array size is a seven. Array size what? Seven. Okay, here you can see a of I is there. Okay, here you can mention the size of array five. Then must and should you can enter five. Okay, but here you can see. Okay, another statement is there. Same you can copy. Okay, next paste here. Paste here. Suppose you can take here five or four. You can take. Okay. Then size of the array also 4. Size of array also 4. Okay. This is the difference. This is the difference. Okay. Here you can see okay, there are different types of arrays are there. Okay, here different types of arrays are there. Okay. On the those arrays you can see here. Okay. On that arrays there are different types of arrays arrays are there. Okay, those are one-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays, multi-dimensional arrays. Yes. Okay. Here you can see here also you can see this one-dimensional. These square brackets you can mention again and these square brackets are called suffix. Here you can see only one square bracket is there. Okay, that is called index, single index is there. That is called single one-dimensional array. Here two, what are those? Okay, uh, suffix here nothing but indexes. Single index, two indexes are there. Okay, here this is called a row or column. But here mention row and here columns. Okay. In multi-dimensional arrays, multi-dimensional array nothing but more than more than two-dimensional array is called a multi-dimensional. Okay, more than two-dimensional array is called a okay multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, these are different types of arrays are there. Okay, these are explained in later class, next class. Okay, here you can see. And starting, we are explained about what okay data structure. What is the definition of data structure? Okay, data structure used to store the data in a computer. Okay, in an organized manner. In an organized form or organized manner. Okay, that is called a data structure. In data structures, there are different types of data structures are there. Okay, those are called arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, list. Okay, trees. Yeah, these are different types of data structures are there. There are different types of data structures are there. Okay, next here you can see these different type of data structures are there. Those different types of data structure we can use in a C language. Okay. Next array nothing but what? Okay, array stored similar data elements. Array stored similar data elements. Okay. Next here stack is there. Okay, stack nothing but what? Okay, stack nothing but what are the elements are inserted on that? Okay, those elements. Okay, which element we can insert first? That is removed last. Which element you can insert last? That is removed first. Okay, that is called a stack. Next queues. Okay, here which element we can insert first? That is removed first, and which element you can remove last? That element removed last. Okay. Next, linked list, nothing but linked list. We are using nodes. Okay, there are different types of linked list are there. Single linked list and double linked list are there. Okay. On that linked list, we are using nodes. Those nodes are stored data. Data. Nodes are stored data. Okay. Next here list is there. Okay, list nothing but what here linked list. Those are more than one node is there. Okay. Next trees. In trees we are using roots and node. roots and nodes, root node and sub nodes are there. Okay, there are different types of trees are there. Okay, binary search tree. Okay, like that. And there are different types of algorithms are there. Okay, depth first search and depth first search. Those are different types of algorithms are there. Okay, here this is what is that one? Okay, these are data structures, and the data structure today we are discussing about arrays. Okay, on that array, okay, here you can see array we can insert elements like this manner. Okay, one, two, three, like that. What are the elements you can want? Those elements you can insert. Okay, at the position of index fifth, there you can insert zero element. Zero is the fifth position. Okay, like that. You can insert what are the elements you can insert there. Okay, but length is starting from 1. When we can find the array length, starting from 1 we can count, but position starting from 0. But position from starting from 0. Okay, here we are inserting elements. Okay, insert elements in array at a specific position. Sorry, at a specific position. Next here you can see those what are the elements are there. Those elements are okay entered position. Which position you can want to insert that position you can insert by using the okay, these statements. Okay. Next sorting is there. Okay, we can sort the element. Here you can see okay sorted elements. Sorted elements in array. In sorted elements we can use there. Okay, one what is that one? A swapping technique we can use in sorting. Okay, in sorting we are using a swapping technique. Okay, there is swapping technique, then automatically those elements are okay sorted. Okay, here you can see this is sorting. This is sorting. Okay, before sort elements are 2, 3, 6, 1, 5, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. After sorting. Okay, sorting technique you can see swapping technique is there. Okay, that's swapping. By using swapping technique we can sort. This is swapping technique. Temp is equal to a of j is equal to a of j plus 1, a of j plus 1 is equal to temp. Okay, what here? Suppose two elements are there. Okay, a of 0 value, a of 0, a of 1. Both elements are there. Okay, a of value, a of 0 value. First we can store in temp. We can store in temp. Next, a of 0. Okay, store the value a of 0 plus 1. A of 0 plus 1 value stored at a of 0 position. Okay, next a of 0 plus 1 is equal to temp. Okay, what is the temp value that is stored in temp? Okay, and that is called a swapping technique. That is called a swapping technique. Okay, next elements in arrays we can delete element any anyway any element we can delete and any element we can insert in arrays. Okay, there is no order. There is no order. Okay, nodes also there is no order. In nodes also there is no order to delete and insert. To delete and insert elements. To delete and insert elements, there is no order. Okay, like that their declarations are there. Okay, declaration. Okay, this is called declaration, array declaration. Okay, next initialization is there. Okay, in declaration we can't mention okay, in declaration we must and should you can mention the size of array. Okay, in initialization we can mention or you can't mention. Suppose you can mention there, then that much of element only you can insert. Okay, there we can't insert. Okay, then you can what are the elements are inserted on that basis. That is the size of it. That is the size of it. Okay, next these are the today topic is data structures in C. Okay, and arrays. On that arrays discussed about one dimensional array and that one dimensional array. Okay, insertion, deletion. Okay, next sorting. Okay, sorting. Okay, what are the elements you want? That much elements are sorted. Okay.